Hello and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lyons Den. This video I would like to show you this lighter I recently acquired. It is a Lyons Transport Lyons Zippo. Nice old school bottom stamp. It is also a steel case. Sticks to a magnet really well. And knowing that it's a steel case with that bottom stamp puts it as a 1951, 1952 with original insert. Cleaned up really nice. Had some rust and stuff in there. Paid $50 for this off of eBay. It's in relatively decent shape. Good click. And obviously I had to get it. Has my name written all over it. Makes a nice little addition to my collection. And says it is a 1951. I'm replacing it inside my case of all my vintage lighters with my other 1951 that I have. So it is now finding its forever home in my collection as my now showcase 1951 Zippo. Fits in there nicely. Hope you like this Zippo as much as I like it. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I hope you have a great day.